Hi, Dave Buggy here, founder and CEO of Power-CRM Incorporated. In this video, I'm going to show you a demonstration of our Power-CRM Marketing Automation tool. Power-CRM Marketing Automation is fully and natively integrated with both Dynamics 365 and, of course, Power-CRM.
Power-CRM Marketing Automation has all the tools that your marketers need in one tool and on the same platform that your sales team is working on. Email marketing, text message or SMS marketing, integrated landing pages, integrated lead capture forms, marketing automation like drip campaigns, full reporting, and event management. Power-CRM was designed from day one to be the best CRM solution for small to mid-sized businesses. Pricing and affordability is a key factor for small to mid-sized businesses. So we made sure that our marketing automation module was priced affordably for even the smallest business.
Our basic plan is best for businesses that need mainly email marketing capabilities. Start for as low as $149 per month, paid on an annual agreement. The basic plan includes unlimited contacts, 10,000 emails per year, full email marketing capabilities, the same capabilities as in the pro level. You receive 70 plus best practice optimized email template, automatic unsubscribe management, spam testing, campaign performance reporting, all for $149 per month.
The pro level steps up the functionality to include 25,000 emails per year, adds campaign automation, integrated web forms, integrated landing pages, as well as SMS marketing. The premium level includes 50,000 emails per year, also includes predictive email sending, a shared inbox for marketing to manage replies to all marketing emails, subscription management capabilities, and adds event registration management all in one platform. Our onboarding services are also affordable. We have 3 different levels of onboarding packages where we perform full installation of the marketing module, base configuration, and provide training for your team.
Get an overview of your campaigns and performance from our homepage. Here, you will see recent campaigns and engagement statistics. Easily target the right contacts for every campaign by creating a view. Use any existing contacts view or create an entirely new view where you can specify virtually any criteria to build your target list. Our extremely easy to use modern email template builder provides all the right elements to create engaging emails. We automatically make every email template mobile responsive. Personalize your emails by adding dynamic data from CRM fields like first name, company name, and more. We include a library of over 70 beautiful email templates designed for high deliverability. Launching your campaign is easy. Just provide a subject and the view containing the target contacts you want to send the campaign to. You can test the campaign by sending it to yourself. You can also run a spam analysis to improve deliverability. When sending your campaign, you can send it immediately, schedule it for a future day and time, or use our predictive sending feature. Predictive sending is a feature that tracks the days and times your contacts open your emails and automatically sends your emails to each contact on that day and time. Once your campaign is sent, you can sit back and watch the performance of the campaign. We track deliverability, opens, and clicks. Your sales team can see all of the marketing information that's sent to each of their contacts. They can also see all of the marketing interactions that each contact performs. Our automatic opt-out management will automatically update the contact record whenever someone opts out, so you can't mistakenly email them in the future. Use our automated campaigns called scenarios to build multi-step, fully automated campaigns. Scenarios offer conditional logic to perform actions based on things like a contact clicking on a link in an email or not, or registering for an event or not. You can create scenarios for many uses, including drip campaigns, manage event registrations, and more. Our landing pages and lead capture forms allow you to easily create high-performing landing pages and lead capture forms that'll automatically create contacts in your Power-CRM system. Once published, your landing page has a unique URL that you can use in your marketing emails, in social posts, in blogs, or anywhere else that you want to promote your landing page. Each form submission created from the landing page is automatically tracked in Power-CRM. Thanks for watching an overview of Power-CRM Marketing Automation. For more information, simply give us a call, send us an email, or visit our website, www.power-crm.net.